Hey everyone, welcome back to another error video. If your Discord activity is not working, don't worry about it. In this video, I will show you how to fix this problem. So keep the video till the end and follow my step. First, go to the setting of Discord, click on the user setting and scroll down and go to the activity privacy. Now, in activity privacy, share your detected activity with the other should be enabled. Click on it and share your activity status by the default when joining large server. Click this should be also enabled. Now allow the friend to join your game. Allow and allow voice channel participants to join the game. After doing this, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is useful for you. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe our creative channel and share with friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.